crash course on film studies, specifically focusing on film analysis. Film analysis is the process of dissecting a film into its various elements to understand how they work together to create meaning and emotions. This includes analyzing elements such as cinematography, editing, and sound. Film analysis can be a fascinating process that can help us appreciate films on a deeper level. It allows us to understand how the various elements of a film work together to create a specific effect. Here are some examples of interesting stories related to film analysis. The shower scene in Psycho. One of the most iconic scenes in film history is the shower scene in Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho. This scene is a great example of how editing can create tension and suspense. Hitchcock uses quick cuts and a rapid editing pace to create a feeling of chaos and fear. The Godfather. The opening scene of The Godfather is a great example of how cinematography can be used to create mood and atmosphere. The dark lighting, low camera angles, and use of shadow all work together to create a sense of foreboding. Jaws. The use of sound in Jaws is a perfect example of how sound can create tension and suspense. The famous "dun dun" theme is instantly recognizable and is used to great effect throughout the film to create a sense of impending danger. Now, let's take a look at the top 12 popular tools and techniques of film analysis. 1. Cinematography. This refers to the way a film is shot, including camera angles, lighting, and composition. Cinematography can be used to create mood and atmosphere, as well as to emphasize certain aspects of the story. 2. Editing. This refers to the way a film is put together, including the sequence of shots and the pace of the editing. Editing can be used to create tension and suspense, as well as to manipulate time and space. 3. Sound. This refers to the use of sound in a film, including dialogue, music, and sound effects. Sound can be used to create mood and atmosphere, as well as to emphasize certain aspects of the story. 4. Acting. This refers to the performances of the actors in the film. Acting can be used to create empathy with the characters and to convey emotions. 5. Setting. This refers to the location and environment in which the film takes place. Setting can be used to create mood and atmosphere, as well as to emphasize certain aspects of the story. 6. Costume design. This refers to the clothing worn by the characters in the film. Costume design can be used to convey information about the characters and to create a sense of time and place. 7. Makeup and hair. This refers to the way the actors' hair and makeup are styled in the film. Makeup and hair can be used to create a specific look for the characters, as well as to convey information about their personality. 8. Special effects. This refers to the use of special effects in the film, such as CGI or practical effects. Special effects can be used to create a sense of spectacle and to enhance the storytelling. 9. Narrative structure. This refers to the way the story is told in the film, including the plot, the pacing, and the structure. Narrative structure can be used to create tension and suspense, as well as to manipulate time and space. 10. Symbolism. This refers to the use of symbols in the film to convey meaning. Symbolism can be used to create a deeper understanding of the story and the characters. 11. Themes. This refers to the underlying messages and ideas in the film. Themes can be used to create a deeper understanding of the story and the characters. 12. Genre. This refers to the category of the film, such as horror, comedy, or drama. Genre can be used to set expectations for the audience and to convey certain themes and ideas. When analyzing a film, it's important to consider all of these elements and how they work together to create meaning and emotions. For example, in the film Blade Runner, the cinematography and setting work together to create a dystopian atmosphere that emphasizes the themes of the film. The use of special effects, such as the futuristic technology, also adds to the overall atmosphere of the film. In the film Psycho, the editing and sound work together to create a sense of tension and suspense. The quick cuts and rapid editing pace, along with the screeching violin music, create a chaotic and fearful atmosphere that adds to the horror of the scene. One interesting example of how all these elements work together is the film La La Land. The cinematography, setting, and costume design all work together to create a sense of nostalgia for classic Hollywood films. The use of music and dance also adds to the overall atmosphere of the film, emphasizing the themes of chasing dreams and the struggle of balancing love and career. In summary, film analysis is the process of dissecting a film to understand how its various elements work together to create meaning and emotions. The top 12 popular tools and techniques of film analysis include cinematography, editing, sound, acting, setting, costume design, makeup and hair, special effects, narrative structure, symbolism, themes, and genre. By considering all of these elements, we can gain a deeper understanding and appreciation for the films we watch. And now, as promised, a poem about film analysis. Film analysis. In the flicker of light, a story comes to life. A world of sights and sounds that can take us to new heights. From the setting to the score, each element has its role to create a world that we adore, and emotions that we can't control. The camera angles and the cuts, the way the story's told, all work together to create a masterpiece that's bold. The actors and their costumes, the makeup and the hair, all combine to create characters beyond compare. And when it all comes together in a film that we adore, we can lose ourselves completely in a world that's so much more. Film analysis lets us see how each piece fits the whole and appreciate the artistry of stories that have been told. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.